Chapter 8 on Rules for Conduct in Life. Maxim 1. Property is for the comfort of life, not for the accumulation of wealth. A sage, having been asked, who is lucky and who is not? He replied, he is lucky who has eaten and sowed, but he is unlucky who has died and not enjoyed. Pray not for the nobody who has done nothing, who spent his life in accumulating property, but has not enjoyed it. Moses, upon whom be peace, thus advised. In the Quran, do thou good as Allah has done unto thee. But he would not listen, and thou hast heard of his end. Who has not accumulated good with dirhams and dinars, has staked his end upon his dirhams and dinars. If thou desirest to profit by riches of the world, be liberal to mankind as God has been liberal to thee. The Arab says, be liberal without imposing obligations, and verily the profit will return to thee. Wherever the tree of beneficence is taken root, its tallness and branches pass beyond the sky. If thou art desirous to eat the fruit thereof, do not put a saw to its foot by imposing obligations. Thank God that thou hast been divinely aided and not excluded from his gifts and bounty. Think not thou conferrest an obligation on the Sultan by serving him, but be obliged to him for having kept thee in his service. Yeah, the world is a means. The world is not enough, right?